Hello and welcome to Fundamentals of Deep Learning. Can we train machines to make decisions as we do? This question is the basis of deep learning. Deep learning is a groundbreaking tool that mimics the human brain in processing data. It is a subset of machine learning that deals with neural networks. Deep learning algorithms can learn useful features from raw data. Deep learning models outperform classical machine learning models, and even humans in some tasks. Deep learning is the key technology behind driverless cars and many other advanced tools. So if you would like to learn the fundamental concepts of deep learning, learn how artificial neural networks work, learn the intuitions behind different deep learning models, get familiar with convolutional neural networks for computer vision, get familiar with sequence models for natural language processing, and take your first steps on your journey to deep learning. This course is for you. It's a gentle introduction to deep learning. With a background in deep learning, there are so many career paths you can choose to take within the industry. In this course, after raising a series of introductory topics on machine learning and deep learning, you will get familiar with feed-forward neural networks, convolutional neural networks, and sequence models. We will discuss some supplementary topics and eventually, you have some final tasks to help you better learn the topics. Enroll today at techclass.com.